Live from the gun show. Rustic Arms, come see us. Yeah. Need to add that on there. We live. Come see Dukem. Dukem got deals today.
Got him.
Dukem got deals today. I'm charging full price for everything. So talk to Dukem first.
Tell him One Love Gun Club sent you.
That's it. That's it. Them the secret code words. You got to know them code words.
Code word.
Come to the counter and whisper One Love Gun Club.
There it is.
Get you a deal. But we got all type of heat, man.
Ready
All
to go.
type of heat. Body armor, carriers, build it yourselves, police trade-ins. We got it all. Come see Rustic Arms, man. Rivertown Mall in the old Yonkers. Make sure when you come by the booth, you say hi to mean ass Eric. Eric's got all the mags that y'all need. His table is right next to mine, so make sure that you pull up. Melly here. That's it, man. Listen, too much money. Eric tired of making money. So if you go through the door, when you walk in, don't even talk to nobody, right? So after you pay, come in, turn straight to the right, and go walk to Rustic Arms table. We got the best deals here. And go see Steve and Tim. What's up, Dave? Dave owns Phoenix Defense Group. Got some of the coolest stuff. He own a rifle company too. That's my guy. Barrack 616 is here. My guy Sean from Black on Ammo is here. Sean, you're on Facebook Live.
My peeps on Facebook Live.
Talk to him, bro. Talk to him. What we got?
This is my line of apparel.
Yeah.
Ammo apparel. I
Yeah,
got flannels
you do.
with my When He Comes Back on the back.
That's my favorite design.
And my script logo. I've got new snap shirts. Look at this. Woo! Fast concealed carry if you need to bust out of your shirt.
Nice.
I got solids and plaids. And then my new performance line. I got full zips. I got quarter zips and pullovers. All redesigned. Deep pocket hoods, 3-panel flat on top. Matching smooth ties.
Yeah.
Matching color match zippers and silicone badge. I've got one on now. There I am.
Yeah. So make sure y'all come to Black on Ammo. So when you walk in, don't even go to that side of the gun show. All my friends are over here.
Right here.
So you
Right
come
here.
right here.
Sean and Daryl.
That's
on this
it.
side.
That's right. And then after you spend with us, then
Yeah.
yeah, you guys.
These are all my designs. I have copyrights on everything, so it's all my artwork. It's not clip art off the internet.
Right.
Here's a drawing video. That's my new Santa. Didn't make it out this year, so it'll be out next year.
That's sweet.
Just a quick video of showing people that it's real. It's not
Right.
AI generated.
Yeah, that's not Chat GPT right there.
No. And everything's on nice material. Mostly it's 60 cotton, 40% polyester. It's real soft.
That's sweet.
Yeah. But it's been good. This show's awesome.
Yeah,
Everybody
man.
should come down.
Everybody should come. We're here till 3 o'clock.
Daryl's the man. Come see Daryl.
That's it. Spin.
Take care of you.
That's right. Shop with me first.
Sean second.
Sean second.
See you guys.
Come on down to the gun show. Ooh, my camera look crazy. Come on down to the gun show. My hair look crazy too, but we tried. It's like I said, it's a lot of heat down here, but the Rustic Arms Table is the place to be. Come on in. Pass all of this. Don't even look over there. Come straight here. I got this whole row. Let us know if you want to take a look at anything or handle anything, all right? Rustic Arms, baby. Let's go.